We're down the showroom in Vosper's in Plymouth. We have a new in stock Puma ST. This is the 1 litre 170 mild hybrid auto, 7-speed dual clutch with paddle shift. This car finished in fantastic red, looks stunning, and complemented with the Puma St Handling Pack. So it has unique wheels, finished in a matte black, nice red calipers in the background, black roof, which obviously goes down onto the spoiler. The other bit about the handling pack really is the KW suspension, which is adjustable suspension. Power tailgate is standard on these cars with a reverse camera, which is what you see there. Decent boot with the ability to make it boot space bigger. Drop that down and even pop it up, and you've got much bigger space in the boot there, called a mega box. And then of course power tailgate to bring it back down again. Fitted with full performance front seats. Really comfortable and supportive on a long journey. And if you're being more enthusiastic, throwing the car around. Comes as standard with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which are wireless. You've got wireless charging in the car as well. Adaptive cruise control with lane centering as well. All in all, a stunning place to be. Won't start it up because emissions in the showroom. But yeah, lovely steering wheel. It's the other thing you get with the handling pack is a round steering wheel, or nearly round steering wheel, whereas the standard now Pumas have a slightly more, what we call a square wheel as such. Normally of course this would be all active, of course it's not, because it's not been PDI'd yet. You've got heated seats in the front, heated steering wheel, obviously the good old heated front windscreen standard with Ford. Really good audio system for Bang & Olufsen. That's what this little signature is all about. So really good sound quality there as well. All down at Vosper's in Plymouth. We look forward to showing you the car properly.